Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rusty 78609. I'm at the Llano jet ski races, and I'm not sure what the format is, but I do know there's two different types of jet skis. Some you stand up on, some you sit down on. And this is this group here. I'm not sure if the race has started yet or how they do it, but they have some super powerful jet skis. They come right at us right here. The guy in the front is the referee, and they just go around the track to get warmed up. I think he does one lap showing them the way the thing is laid out, and then the next lap he kind of pulls off and they do their thing. I'm not sure exactly how they time them or how they determine who the winner is. Basically, I don't know anything. Okay. I'm not going to try to bore you with the details because I don't know any. And but they do have some that have 305 horsepower. I know that, and this is not that group. They got several different classes. What they are, again, if you're a jet ski fan, you'll have to check. But you can see there's people all along here, and we'll kind of get back to the jet skis now. I've seen a couple of them fall off in water, but that's kind of risky. You fall off in the water with two guys behind you, or three. What do you think about that? Okay, now he's turning them loose. Okay, he's turning them loose now. Yeah, this is the race now. They're actually racing now. I'm glad they don't throw that wave right up in my face. But I tell you, they're super fast, man. Look at that guy in the front. I mean, I don't know how fast he's going, but he's moving. I'd say he's going, just guessing, 40 to 50 miles an hour. And this is certainly not the top dog class. But I'll let you watch these for a little bit, and you'll get the idea of what a jet ski race is all about. The blue one coming into the video now, that's the referee, I guess. This guy here acts like he knows what he's doing. Yeah, some of these people go all over. The guy that's in the lead obviously deserved it. I mean, these guys look like they're asleep compared to him. I mean, I don't know if it's because he has a super fast jet ski or what. This thing here is that's a bullet. That's no, when he gets on that thing, it'll come out of the water. But he's not in the race. He's just warming up. Apparently his race is fixing to start. But I'll let this go for a while, and we'll see if we can catch a race or two. I think this race here is ended here. I don't know how they determine that. That's another guy just warming up here. Okay. But some of these things are extremely powerful, man. I'll get a picture of a guy taking a picture here. There's a picture of a guy taking a picture. Let me zoom back out a little bit here. Oh, this is the girl right here. That's the girl I talked to in the first video today, I think. No, hers was blue. I'm sorry. That's not her. That is a girl, though, I think. I don't know if she's in first place or last place, but she's in a place. You know, if I could pause this thing and then restart it in the spot, if I knew exactly how to do that, because sometimes when I pause this, that's a rocket, man. I want to see these guys race. Maybe they're fixing to race, because these are powerful here. And these are the stand-up kind. You know, you stand up on them. I mean, this is serious business for some of these guys, I guarantee you. We'll let the video go because they'll start another race here in a minute. Now these two guys. That one right there, that stand-up thing, that thing is damn fast. Yeah, that one, you can see the one in the background there. Let me zoom. See this guy going back here? I mean, that's a bullet, man. He's got to be going 70 to 65, 70 miles an hour. But he's just practicing. He's not even in a race. Now they're going to run out of fuel practicing. Zoom back out a little bit. Come on, zoomer. My zoomer stopped working. Oh, there it is. I'm thinking they're fixing to start another race. I see the guy in the blue there. When he's that big blue one there that's backing out, he's the guy that starts the race.
Registration desk. Michael Smith, you're needed at the registration table. Michael Smith, and we found a cell phone. You can tell us what it looks like. You can have it back. We found a cell phone.
That's the girl I was talking to.
Here are the t-shirt
right here.
table. The cell phone at the t-shirt table. And Michael Smith, we wanted the registration table.
This is the one. This thing here is awesome. That one will actually jump out of the water. Beautiful day, partly cloudy, fortunately, about 80, 82, 84 degrees, light breeze, perfect. That's got to be a rush, you know? Well, the guy's getting ready. Here comes the ref out again. Let's see what kind of race we have here. I don't see anybody coming out behind him. So. Okay, he's apparently getting ready to start another race here. I'll pan around and let's see the crowd. What you won't see is what you expect to see. Just going to pan around here. A lot of cars. There's a lot of people here, but it's spread out at probably over a quarter mile down the river frontage here, so you're not going to, it doesn't look like there's a big crowd, but there is. If you saw the cars parked up there on the hill, you got to know it's Llano, Texas times 10. And there's a lot of food booths up in this area that go up that way, and there's people all up in there, all up in there. I think we're going to have a good race here. This will be a different one. He's explaining something to the guys, and now he's fixing to lead them out. Okay, they make one lap following him. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This will be oh, yeah. These are the big dogs now. It's the big dogs stand up on jet skis. God, look at how fast they're going there, guys. Jeez. Look at this, man. Hell, the referee's having a hard time staying ahead of him. He's got a 300 horse deal. Zoom out just a wee bit. Here they'll come around here, and then they'll come straight at us, so you'll get to see what doesn't look like they're moving very fast. Now here they'll come straight at us. Okay, now the referee will go around one more time, and then he turns loose. Yeah, the ref's out of the way. He turned him loose now. He turned him loose because that one guy passed him. This guy that's in the lead here, that's a rocket. That's not a jet ski, it's a rocket. Look at this guy. This guy in the lead over here. Man, that's unbelievable. He is just, I mean, you can smell the fuel, and it's not gasoline. It's something they've mixed. That's the lead dog right here. We'll let this race finish and I'll end the video because you get the idea, right? I mean, this is not a hobby for some of these people. This is business. I'm doing a video. I'd rather not take a video of the back of your head like I am right now. Didn't mean to be rude. They come right at us, right here, right here. Pure accident. But the guy that's in the lead over here, he's got such a tremendous lead that he can probably take a nap. Anyway, guys, from this race is ending up. From Llano, Texas, jet ski races, Rusty 78609. Thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye. Buy anything you want anytime, but if you think about it, use the link to Amazon products in the description of all my videos. Doesn't cost you a penny. Drink plenty of water, keep your health, and enjoy your life. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.